Hello everyone, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with my I had to peek February kit lineup, and I feel like I went a little I feel like I either go full blown so many things in every single pocket, or it's like 2 things per pocket and that's it. So this is a Printpression B6. Printpression is no longer, well, I think it's closing at the end of the month, but if you want to pick up some B6s, I would definitely check his website, and these are the sticker sleeves that he sells as well. So that is the supplies. I guess also I have my little stickers here that have the dates on them. I think I have them in 4 or 5 different styles on the shop. I will link those down below as well. So let's go ahead and get into what I plan on using in February. So first things first is February 3rd through February 9th. This is one of the very few, well, I guess only 2 of the weeks have things that I'm like, okay, this is the reason why I'm using this kit. This is just because it's cute and it's Valentine's Day. So this is the cherry on top set. I actually need to go through and change all of my scribblers because I am coloring my hair back to brown, which I haven't had my hair just flat one color brown in I think 4 years. I think 4 years, yeah. So I'm actually going to take these out so I remember that I need to get the brown haired version. Actually, I'm going to grab the brown hair of those too. Might as well. But yeah, so I have my cherry on top ultimate kit as well as some of the extras, and then I will grab the brunette version of these 2 sheets. I'm just going to put them over there to remind myself. So I do have this, and then as far as foil goes, well, first of all, I'm in my Erin Condren, so I have my Erin Condren 15mm bottom washi cover up. I also have my what is this called? Rose glitter solid boxes. I thought this would go really good with the pink. And then foil, I was kind of debating because I feel like I could do a red, but I feel like a lot of the reds I have are a little bit too red, not this burgundy, oxbloody tinge red color. So I feel like it might have looked a little too red, especially with the colors. There are the the red in there. So I was like, I don't know. So I decided just to play it safe, and I am going to be doing a mixed metal of the sparkly champagne lights as well as gold. This is a bunch of leftovers I have from the shimmer bundle, because I sometimes switch out the bottom washis or switch out the bougies. So I have a bunch of extras of this, and this is probably my most used foil bundle. So we have her, and then I have a couple of a la carte items, which I always forget that exist, unfortunately. I do have the hearts in champagne lights. I thought that I have to check at work, but I thought I had the heart bundle in champagne lights, but maybe I don't. But I thought I could do a faux mixed metal if I did, but I don't. So we have the hearts. And then I also grabbed for this tall box here, I grabbed a stroke box, and then because I don't have a lot of full box overlays in here, but I figured I could do that. I also have the heart header overlays. This is I will decide when I get there kind of vibe, because I usually do the heart or the header overlays last, so I kind of can decide if is it going to be too much or what. And then I also pulled out the mini heart decos, so that any boxes that I feel need a little bit of extra pizzazz, even the ones that have the overlay, I could take some of these open ones and throw them in there just to give it a little bit more of a Valentine's Day heart edge. So I think that's very, very fun, very, very cute. Like I said, I wish I had more of a darker red, but I don't know then, like I said, if it would be too red. So I'm just going to stick to this. Let me know what you think though. Are you using something different? I also think another solid underlay option that would be really pretty is marble. But I think it's next month I'm going to be using marble quite a bit. So then we have February 10th through February 16th, which is the week of Nick and I's, I think, 18-year of dating anniversary, and our 9 or 8 year, I don't know, some kind of anniversary. So Nick and I, when we started dating, this was literally Nick without the snake bites. Yeah, so emo was our thing. We had AIM when we first started dating. That's actually how Nick asked me out, to be his girlfriend, was through the good old AIM. So I have all of the things, literally all of the things. I'm going to switch these out. I don't even know if I'm going to use those boxes. There's just so many boxes, but I'm going to switch those out. I have all of the things. This is exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else. And then I also do have the EC 15mm bottom washi cover, of course. And then I have the black glitter solid box. I think that's gonna be really fun, especially with all the colors being like, I'm probably not going to realistically use this black one, so I don't need that. Being like the brighter colors and then layering those over top of this. And then I thought I would go really fun and wild because I feel like it's like the 90s Christmas set where there's really not like a wrong option as far as the foil goes, and like the crazier the better. And I am doing the, I think it's lavender hollow or pink magenta or magenta hollow punk bundle, and I think this is going to be so fun because I think it really leans into the purples and pinks in the set. I think that this over this is going to be so fun and just bright and fresh. And then I can also decide that if I want to like omit either the pink or the purple, if it's going to be too much, I could always replace it with the pink or the red, or just add all of those in. Maybe I won't do a color block moment. Maybe I will just do a like explosion of colors moment. We will see, but I think this is going to be really, really fun and a great way to mark Nick and I's anniversary. And it's funny because my first ever like explicit CD was actually, what is this even called again? Is it I can't read it. I don't remember, but that was it. Has like Helena and, I can't even think of it right now. You know what I mean? This was actually my first ever explicit CD, and also I went through a huge Fall Out Boy phase. Like, I think I've seen Fall Out Boy in concert, I think 7 or 8 times. I know. No chance on Rosie. Rosie has seen Fall Out Boy 1,000 bazillion times, but Fall Out Boy was my fave. In my bedroom, whenever, like, growing up, I had, I think it was Aeropostale, I don't know how to say it, had like this huge like poster in their window, and we went and like asked for it whenever it was like done with that like promotion. It was the Infinity on High poster where Pete Wentz's face was super huge, and I had that in my room. It's like a 6-foot tall poster, and the one time I actually like woke up and it like fell down, so it was like on top of me, and I was like woke up with Pete Wentz on top of me. Anyways, I thought it was so funny. This is February 17th through the 23rd, and I think that this week I'm actually going to be in Disney, but this is also the marks 10 years of being in Austin, and I've been hoarding this kit for forever. It is exclusive art by Coco, and it came out I think like 3 years ago. It was like pre-Scribblers in the kit, but I'm very excited to finally use it for this momentous occasion of being in Austin for 10 years. It feels like my life, especially in Austin, has been so stinking long because there's been so many phases of life. I do have the 15mm cover up, and then I also decided that with this, I think it was giving like Mad Matte energy, and I was deciding between matte bronze and matte silver, but I feel like it's more cool toned, so I went with the matte silver on this just to kind of keep it simple. And this is the confetti version too. It's like the updated version with the hole reinforcers, so I think that's going to be cute. Very like niche to me, but I am very excited to finally use the kit because I think it turned out really, really, really cute. Then last but certainly not least was February 24th through March 2nd, and I don't really have any reason why I'm using this kit besides that it's just really, really cute. I actually considered saving it for like a Bennett birthday in the future. It kind of gives Bennett vibes with like the games. He loves like bright like RGB colors, and I thought it would be fun, but I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna use it for Valentine's. So I went ahead and paired it with, well, let me see what's actually in the back first. Has the faux glitter throughout, which you know I love. Let's see, we have the doodle, we have the doodle too, and then I'm gonna go ahead and switch these out because we're gonna be changing the hair up, which I didn't even realize till like after I like fully like changed my appointment and everything, and like I was like photoshopping my hair like to see what it would look like, because I feel like my face has changed, you know, since then. And then like after everything was said and done, I'm like, I have to change out all of my scribblers. Hannah was like, I'll take all of your like partially used blonde ones, and I was like, perfect. But yeah, I was like, didn't even realize it till afterwards, because usually that's my first thought, is like, I don't want to change out my hair because I don't want to change out my scribblers, but here we are. So I do have the solid full boxes that has the glitter that matches. This is the hollow rainbow glitter. I do have the EC bottom washi cover, which if I can remember, I will try and link this video so you can see how I do it. And then I also do have this sparkly red because I think that this is going to be really fun. I don't remember. I think red might have been like an extra color option, but I did not grab it because I think that my idea was to use red. And I think it's fun when there's like a color in a kit that is like there, but like not one of the colors. And then when you use the like foil color, then like it just is like perfect. Do you know what I mean? And then instead of the regular bougie boxes that comes with this, this is like the newer version of the sparkly red in confetti version 2. I am going to use the sparkly red in the heart. I think that'll be really pretty over top of it. Give it more of a Valentine's Day flair. I could definitely see myself in the future, though, reusing this kit for a birthday, whether it's Bennett's. Well, actually, any of my kids, honestly, it just kind of gives my kids vibes. They're all kind of a little chaotic in, like, a quirky, cool way. So, yeah, I think this is cute. I think it's fun. I think it's fresh. I think another one that you could use if you didn't want to use sparkly red would be sparkly black would be really fun. Or any type of, like, sparkly purple, sparkly pink. But I think the sparkly red's gonna be really fun, especially because it's not one of the main 4 colors and I don't have the extra label that makes it that. So that is everything for this month. Let me know if somehow we are twinning for any of these, because I feel like realistically these are the only 2 like specific Valentine's Day, and these are more specific to me. But I'm thrilled. I'm excited. I am very, very happy to go and dive in and get into these spreads next month. I'm happy to be like caught up so that I'm not using these in like April. So that's everything for this video. I hope you liked it. Click that subscribe and like button if you have not already. And I appreciate you. I love you. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.